Hello. Oh. Yes, screen. Very. Yang mau sih, ambil dulu எங்கடா போயிட்டு இங்க என்ன பொறுத்து வெளியூர் எங்கன்னா சைட்ல எனக்கு கட்டி வருமா ஸ்கிரீன் மாத்தணும். என்ன ஸ்கிரீன்? கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஸ்கிரீன். எது நான் யூஸ் பண்ணது நெட்டே கிடையாது. அதெல்லாம் ஏடி விசி. நீங்க எது யூஸ் பண்ண? விண்டோஸ் தானே? விண்டோஸ் hand test. தண்ணி ஒட்டிச்சா I'm seeing some mountains. It's good. Have your face also closer. English ಗೊತ್ತಾ? English ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Someone is running. See, that person whiteboard. 180012056656. I'm not sure then. Audio. Hello. If I write here, it's visible. If I write here, it's visible. You guys just it's a reason. Okay. Full screen is okay. Okay. Through mobiles, you are. Okay. Then come. So wait for 2 minutes. So before going to the subject, what is mean by partnership? But it's two members. Two or more members. Yeah, two or more members. Two or more members. Okay. Okay. Business oriented. Okay. So we use this word mostly in business, right? Yes. Business purpose. Okay. We who how we can like so we have a partner. Okay. So depends upon their investment. Okay, we can call him as a partner, right? So you started a business, so you don't have much money to invest, right? So on that time, what you will do? You can go for with your partner, okay, for investment. So after that, so they can overall business year ending or some they have some limits, okay. After that time period, they can share their profit. So it depends upon how they can share their profits. Anyone? How they can share their profits? How you can say 50-50? When we can say 50-50? Both are investment. Okay, so both the persons invest same money. Okay, fine. For example, so I started business with 1 lakh rupee. After 3 months, okay, you joined, someone, anyone, joined with me with 1 lakh rupee, same money. So I invested 1 lakh rupee and you, anyone, invested 1 lakh rupee. After 3 months, you joined with me, right? So then how I can give 50-50 to you? Is it possible? No. No. So it's depend upon time period. So when you can share equal profit means same time period, same investment, and yeah, same time and same investment. So like, so here we have two types of partnership: simple partnership, compounded partnership. Yes. Yeah. Please note on. So mine here is a partnership and put the subheading a simple partnership. Simple partnership. Yeah. Simple partnership. Okay, please listen carefully. So, which type of partnership we can call a simple partnership? Yes, simple partnership. Simple. Okay, listen. So, A and B are two persons. Is there? They invested some in business. Yeah. So we have two conditions. Same investment and different time. So same investment and a different time. So means just now I told, right? So same investment means 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee. So different time. So I started now, you came with me after 3 months or 4 months, whatever it is. So that is the case one. We can call this type of partnership is a simple partnership. And reverse. So same time with a different investment. These two conditions we can call a simple partnership. Understood? So note on that. I'll tell. Same time, different investment. So, as per note, please note on. If all partners invest their different capitals, for the same time period, or same capital with a different time period. Now, listen, how they can share profit here means, yes. Yeah. So a simple partnership, what they are doing, the same capital with a different time, same time period with a different capital. Okay. Profit. So end of the day, they want profit, right? So if they first condition, same invest and different time. In this case, how they can share the profit? In this case, can anyone? In the ratio of yes. So end of the day, they want profit. So they want to share profit. So why? Because both invested some money and they work for some time. So they want a profit. So end of the day, how they can share the profit?
6:4.
I didn't mention any value here. Yeah.
No, we can like the person who does more work can take 10% more extra share.
Okay, fine. But I didn't mention any value. So we can share some. So based upon which I'm asking. So same investment means we can't judge. So I invested 1 lakh rupee, you invested 1 lakh rupee. So if there is a same time period, nothing will happen. They can share 50-50, right? So but here a different time. So here what we want to tell means, so time ratios. Okay. So they can share their profit with respect to time ratios. For example, I invested for 1 year, you invested for 9 months, right? So I invested 12 months, you invested 9 months. So like this, we need to share. For example, so it will go for 3 4s or 3 3s, 4 is to 3. Yeah. So I have 7,000 rupees. Overall, they earned 7,000 rupees profit, right? So with the same investment with a different time period. So time period I mentioned something for example 1 lakh for 12 months first person, 1 lakh for 9 months. This is the example person I am telling you. What is the simple partnership means? With the same investment with a different time. So when it is a different one, we can choose that one only. So here investment is same, time is different. So that's why I'm taking the time. So for example, let's take this person A, this person B. So A is to B, finally I got 4 is to 3. Now, so total amount they earned is 7,000 rupees. They can share their profit in the ratio of 4 is to 3. This is the condition. Understood? Same investment means we can't judge. We want something. So something they give it with a different time. If it is also same time, we can share this money 3,500, 3,500. Understood? This is the first condition in simple partnership. Okay. In simple partnership, next condition, yeah, a different investment
and same time, right? This is the one more condition in simple partnership. You know that. So different same time period means 1 year, 1 year. So I joined both, they can started with the same time, ending with the same time, right? 1 year, 1 year. So I invested 50,000 rupees and you invested like 30,000 rupees. So capitals are different. Investment is nothing but capital. Okay, capital, investment, both are same. So capitals are different. Time is same. With this time period, we can't share the money. Different investments. So we can share that. So overall, they profit, for example, 8,000 rupees. Okay, just examples I'm telling. Okay, fine. Overall, they earned 80,000 rupees. They started with one person 50,000 rupees investment and another person 30,000 rupees investment with the same time period. So now, if you take time period means what will happen? So for 1 year, 1 year, so 12 again it will cancel. You need to take that value. Okay, 1 year or 2 years, say we don't need, no need to take that value. Okay, it will cancel direct. So now 4 zeros get cancelled. It is 5:3. So this is what a profit ratio. This is ratio. This is money. You can share. So based upon this ratio, 5:3. One person got 50,000 rupees. Another person got 30,000 rupees. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Yes. So this is the simple partnership. What idea about simple partnership? No. So second one, compounded partnership. So take the two examples for simple partnership. Yeah. Under simple partnership, please note down one example question. A and B started a business. A and B started a business with investment of A and B started a business with the investment of 50,000 and 30,000. 50,000 and 30,000 for the same time period. For the same time period. After 1 year, they earned 40,000 rupees of profit. They earned 40,000 rupees. No need to mention profit anymore. They earned 40,000 rupees. Find share or profit. Share or profit. You can write anyone. Find the profit of A. Profit of A or share of A. So here time period is same, investment is different. So depend upon the investment, we can share the profit. That's it. Very simple logic. Yes, how much? Our ratio is 5:3, but we need to share the money.
35,000.
Yeah.
35,000, 50%.
Okay, very good. Let's see. So A and B are two persons. They invested money, not same money, different money. How much it is? 50,000 and 30,000 rupees. So this is A investment, this is B investment. So time with for the same time period. So if you want to take, you can take, or else you can leave. For the end of the 1 year, you mentioned, right? So it means so they work for 1 year, right? Understood. So now, so 12 get cancelled. 4 zeros get cancelled. 5:3. This is what a profit ratio. Profit ratio. Based upon this ratio, you can share the profit value among them. Okay. So 5:3. So total 8 shares. This 8 share value is how much? 40,000 rupees. So whose share we want? A share. A, how many shares have? 5. So for 8 it is 40,000. For 5, how much it is? So it is 5,000. So you can write 5,000. So 5,000 into 5, 25,000. So share of A is nothing but 25,000. Any doubt? Clear? Okay, done. So go for next one. Compounded partnership. So this is the simple partnership. Compounded partnership. Yes. Here, in this simple partnership, anyone is same. Either investment are same, either time period are same. Right? In compounded interest, both are different. That is the difference. Both are different. Investment is different, and time period is also different. Okay. So note down some points about that. If all partners invest their different capitals, if all the partners invest their different capitals for different time period. The different time period. Now, the profit depends upon both. Initially, it depends upon only which one is different. So according to that, we can take that ratio and we can share the value. But here, so profit depends upon both investments and the time period. Understood? So example, A and B are two partners. A started business 50,000 rupees. Okay. A started business with 50,000 rupees. After 3 months, B started with A with the 30,000 rupees. B started business with A with the 30,000 rupees investment. After 1 year, that is a different. After 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, depends upon the question. After 1 year means you should take 12 months. Okay, so starting to ending, who is in business? A. So after 3 months, who came? B. So B is in how many months? 9 months, right? So it didn't mention 9. We need to find that 9, right? So here A up to 12 months. So B for 9 months. This is the ratio we need. So here investment different, time different. Here also both values is different. So now we can find the overall, for example, let me check. Yeah. Yeah, 4, 3, 4 the 3 3s again 29, right? So for example, 58,000 rupees is there. Okay, so they can share this 58,000 rupees according to this ratio. Clear? So simple partnership. In simple partnership, anyone is same, either time or investment. But in this compounded interest, so compounded partnership, so we can choose. We can observe both the different values, different time, different investment. These are the important. 20:9, right? So this is the compounded interest. Clear? So note down this example. So note down question. A and B, or else first A, you can write A. A started business with a 50,000 rupees. A started business with 50,000 rupees. And B joined B. Okay, a B joined with 30,000 rupees after 3 months. B joined in business. B joined in business after 3 months. B joined in business after 3 months. B joined in business after 3 months with 30,000 rupees with 30,000 rupees invest. With 30,000 rupees invest. After 1 year, they earned 58,000 rupees. They earned 58,000 rupees. Find a share of B. Find share of B. How much? 18. Very good. Done. 18,000. Like, shall I do? 18,000 rupees. Yeah. So same like this. So 20 is to 9. So it is nothing but 29. 29 share value is nothing but 58,000. Whose share is asking? B share. We have 9 shares. So 29 into 2,000. So you can do 2,000. So 9 into 2,000, 18,000. Anyone have doubt in this calculation? Clear? So already we did in ratio and proportion and partnership. Same solutions. Okay. Now coming to yes. Active or working partner. Active partner or working partner. Means what? Is anyone?
After some period, he will not discuss with you. For some period, and he will leave.
No.
He will invest. One partner will only invest the money, sir. He will not work with business.
He is not in the business. Both will invest, but only one person will leave the business. One person will stay. Almost correct. One clear observation.
Active partner means the person who does more work than the other partner.
More work. Almost. Means more work means the
More due to the even they have equal duty, he works even the other partner's duty.
means here both the persons are working, right?
Both
As per
are
you, as per your point of view, both the persons work.
But he works more than the other person.
No. So active person or active partner means he is a investor, okay, and as an employee also. Is working in the company. Only one person, not two persons. Okay. Active partner means he is an investor as well as a worker in that company. Understood? That person we can call an active person or active partner. He invested 50,000 rupees. Okay, and some X person is invested with the different money. Two persons are in business. Fine. So they can get the profit. Apart from that, he can get the salary also. That person's active partner. Okay. Next, sleeping partner. Yes.
Not work, just invest and
Yes. Sleeping partners means he can just put the money, invest the money, and the profit. That's it. They didn't work. Okay, they didn't work on the business. They just put the investment. That's it. That's the person we can call a sleeping partner. Sleeping partner means here he didn't sleep. Okay, just means he just invest the money. Okay. Not on the observation first. For first one, active talking partner. A partner who not only invests the money, a partner who not only invests money, but also take part in the business activities. Also take a part in the business activities for which he draws a defined salary. Draws a defined salary. Now coming to sleeping partner. Sleeping partner. A person who only invests money, and does not take part in the business. And does not take part in business activities. Part in business activities. Yes. So these are the four main observations in this partnership. Now we'll go for the questions one by one. Yes, not on the question. A and B invested 24,000 and 8,000 rupees for a period of 2 years. After 2 years, they earned 48,000 rupees. 48,000 rupees. Find A and B share individually. Find A and B share individually. 36%. Very good. So these are the basic questions in partnership. Here time period is same, right? For 2 years. So no need to go with the time. Okay, just we can concentrate on the investment also. So how much? One was 24,000 and another one was 8,000 rupees. So if you simplify this one, this is the profit ratio. Okay, so total amount is how much? 48,000. So the earned profit is 48,000. So find the ratio. 3 zeros get cancelled. 8 ones are 8 threes are. So finally I got profit ratio is how much? 3:1. Total how many shares we have? 4 shares. So for 4 shares, how they earn? 48,000 rupees. So whose share is asking? Both, right? For 3, for 1. So for 3 is how much? 36,000. Yes. Yes. So here also 12,000 and here also 12,000. So it is 36,000 and it was 12,000. Simple question. So this is A share and this is B share. Next question. A, B, C. A, comma B and C invested capitals in the ratio of 2:3:5. 2:3:5. At the end of the business, they received profit. At the end of the business, they received profit in the ratio of 5:3:12. 5:3:12. Find the ratio of time for which they contributed. Find the ratio of time for which they contributed their capitals. Yes. Yes, right. Yes. Can you give me? Yes. Yes. 2.5:1. Yes. How much? 2.5:1. No. Take it once. Try it once. So actually, I'll give you the concept. So what we did in previous questions, So for finding the profit ratio, what we are doing? The product of investment and time, right? Right? So for profit ratio, what we did? Is given how much? Profit ratio is given how much? 5 is to 5 is to 3 is to 12. And investment ratio? 2 is to 3 is to 5, right? What we want to find? Time ratio. T1 is to T2 is to T3 we need to find, right? So now profit ratio is equals to investment into time ratio, right? We did this one, right? So P1 is to P2 is equals to, show here. Yeah, here. So this is investment, right? This is time period. What we did here? Product. We took product, right? Same like that. So here also we need to take the same values, but yeah. I1 T1 is to I2 T2. So this is the clue. So try it once by using this clue. So P1. So finally what we want? T1, T2 we want, right? T1 is to T2. So for the same like this, P2 is to P3 is equals to I2 T2 is to I3 T3. Or else directly you can go with the T here. See here, see. So T is equals to P by T. So sorry. T is equals to P by I. So you can split the two ratios. So 5 is to 3 is 1 and 3 is to 12 is 1. So 2 is to 3 and 3 is to 5. So separate that. So this is right. 2 by is equals to T1, right? Next T2. So 3 by yeah 5 by 12. So finally I got T1 is to T2 is to T3 is equals to 2 by 5 is to 1 is to 5 by 12. So simplify this one. So what was the LCM here? Thirty also. Oh, sorry, 30. 60. With the 60. So with the 5 table, how many times it will go? So 12 to the 24. So 1 is there. It is 60. Then next. Sorry. Where?
Profit should be upgrade.
Profit should be
On numerator.
12 to 6.
5 into 3 is 5 is profit. 5, 3, 12 will be up and 2, 3, 5 should be down.
Okay. So we did. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Two by 5 equal to T1.
5 by 2.
Yeah, investment in denominator, right? Yeah, T1. Yeah. As it is, we can take 5 by 2 is to 3 by 3 is to 12 by 5. So now you will get the so LCM is what? 10. Okay, so 2 5 5 is 25, right? So 10 is the LCM. So with the two table, 2 5 is 5 5 is 25 is to with the 10 is to this one. So 5 2 is 12 2 is 24. This is the so 25 is to 10 is to 24 is the final answer. So simple. What I am telling here. So this is the concept. So T1 is equals to P1 by A1. P2 is equals to P2 by A2. So when once you know this concept, you will get the answer. So in these three, they will give any two. We need to find the third one, either investment in or profit or time. In these three, they will give only two. We need to find so remaining one. Okay. Finally, what you want to know? So you want to know the formula. What it is? P is equals to I into T. Okay. If they given P and T, find the investment ratio means just you can take the P by T. Simple concept. So if you want T, take P by I. So if you want I, take so P by T. If you want P means directly you can go with I into T. Simple. I1 T1 is to I2 T2 is to I3 T3. If they want P1 is to P2 is to P3. Understood? Any confusion? Okay. So go for the next question. A, B and C started a business. A, B and C started a business with the investments in the ratio of their investment in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 4. Sorry. 1 is to 2 is to 4. After 6 months, A invested the half amount more as before. A invested the half amount more as before, and B invested twice the amount. B invested twice the amount more as before. While C withdraws 1/4 of their investments. 1/4 of their investment. Find the ratio of their profit. Find the ratio of their profit at the end of the year. Do it. Try it once. So up to 6 months, there is no changes. After 6 months only, so 2 persons added, 1 person withdraw the money. How much? Uh, 20? 30. Let me check. Shall I give the options? What options? Shall I?
Second option, 3:4:5.
Are you guessing or you did?
Almost I did. Max is.
Almost.
So last option is 5:14.
5:16:14. I got that.
Nearby.
Nearby or exactly?
Nearby.
Nearby. So approximate. But there is a small error, right? So some deviation is there, right? We want the exact answer. Okay, let me check. Okay, fine. So here, 3 persons are there. A, B, and C, right? So first 6 months, there is no changes in their investments, right? So first 6 months and out. 6, 6, 6. Okay. So first 6 months, A invested how much? 1, right? Next 6 months, B invested 2. C invested. Any changes? No. Up to there is no doubt. I think. Right. Fine. So next, first part is over. I'm coming to next 6 months. Okay. So next 6 months, what A did? Half amount he added to his investment. Already his investment is how much? 1. If he added one more half, means how much it will? 1/2. 1/2. Already his investment is 1. 1 plus 1/2. Right. That is adding. That's it. So initial investment is 1. For that one, he added another half. Means how much it is? 3/2. Right. Per 6 months. Remaining 6 months. End of the 1 year he mentioned, right? First 6 months, there is no changes. After 6 months, what he did? So A added half of the amount to his initial investment. So about A, any doubt?
Sir, why should we add that 6 months to that?
He mentioned 1 year, right?
Yeah.
End of the 1 year, right? First to 6 months, there is no changes. So end of the 1 year, 6 months is done. Remaining 6 months we need to take, right? That's only I did. Any doubt? Still? So 6 plus 6 is how much? 12 months. 1 year done. They invested for 1 year.
Okay.
They invested for overall 1 year. In this 1 year, 6 months there is no changes. After 6 months only they change it. Okay, that after 6 months, what is represent for all the 3 persons in that question, right? So this is done. So what I am directly finding, P1 is to P2 is to P3. He's asking right about this only, right? So time into investment, time into investment. Now coming to B. So first 6 months his investment is 2. Second 6 months he twice the invest. Already he have 2. If he twice means how much? 4. 4 into 6, right? Sorry. Yeah. Now coming to C. So he withdraw the money. He didn't add it. Add means we need to take addition here. Right? He withdraw the money. How much he withdraw the money? 1 by 4th. His investment is how much? 4. 1 by 4th means 1 only. See here. 1 by 4th of his investment, right? His investment is how much? Simplify this one. 4 ones are 4 ones. How much is the? Only 1 part. Out of 4 parts, 1 by 4 part he removed. So remaining 1 only we have. 1 into 1 by 4th he removed. Yeah. Understood? 1 by 4th he removed means 1 he removed. So out of 4, 1 he removed. How much we have? 3 only. 1 by 4th, guys, 1 by 4th of 4 is how much? It is 1, right? Understood? This 1 is withdrawn out of 4 means remaining is how much? 3 only. For how many years? How many months? 6 months. So now we can simplify this. We'll get the answer.
So
Yes.
if we remove then why we are writing minus there?
Withdraw.
He withdraw
Oh, yeah. Good point. Good point. So already we withdrawed, right? So take addition. Good. So addition we need to take. So already 1 we removed. Withdraw means we removed. So remaining 3 he added. Already still is there. For remaining 6 months. Good point. Very good. Now, to simplify this one. So 6 ones are 6 plus 2 ones are 2 threes are 3 threes are 9. Next. 12, 36, right? 36, right? Yeah. That's true. So it is 15 is to 36 is to 40. To simplify this one with the 3 table, 3 5s are 3 12s are right. 15 is to 16. Any mistake we did? 15 is to 16 is to 14 is there. 5 is to 16. 36.
Sir, unless you write there in the C part, 6 into 4 minus 1 into 6.
Same answer you will get. Any changes? No changes, no? Okay. So here in B we did any mistake. Let me check. So 2.
Let's take first option. First option, watching.
No. First option 5 is to 10 is to 14. So for B, read once again. For B, first 6 months. So this only, right? Profit ratio, I mean investment ratio. So first 6 months we didn't do.
4 into 16. 6 into 16.
6 into 6 here.
Plus 6 into 6 here. Because
Twice means what?
twice means 4.
Yes.
That's twice is
Twice
as
is
before.
added.
Twice more.
Yeah.
And add over 0.
We should add that to us, right?
Twice as before means already we have initial. Before is 2. Twice means
4. 4 plus 2.
why again 2? For answer you are telling or else.
No, because
Yeah.
the question is,
I'll
we
let you
invested
know.
twice the amount 4.
You invested all of the money more before. We invested twice the amount more as before. More as before.
Yes.
Before is 2. Twice as means twice means we need to take the twice. So we did correct actually. So maybe options are wrong, I think. As per the question, so twice before means what? If you have 3 before, twice means how much? We need to multiply with the 2, right? Twice means what? Yes. Then
So if you add 6 there,
if you add 6 there, you'll get the answer. You are telling, right? Okay, fine. But we can't broke the rule, right? So as per question, so twice before means, so before is 2. So twice before means we need to twice the before one. So 2 twice the before one is 4. So we did correct. So answer is 5 is to 12 is to 14.
so same in first option A also, half amount more than first. So we are adding 1 plus half, right? We are getting 3 by 2. So same here.
Yes, yes. Before is 1, right?
Yeah.
So half added to what? Before 1.
Yes.
So before what? 1 plus 1 by
So
2.
3 by 2. Same here we can do 4 plus 2. Twice plus 2.
Understood. 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 1 second. I'll explain.
Get the correct answer, that is the
Yes, yes, correct. So this is the before one. Added. So twice before. So if you twice, what it will? 4. So added 2. So this is also okay. It will continue for entire year. Yeah. So this 2, okay, this 2 continue for entire year, right? He didn't disturb this one. So he added extra. What he added? Twice of that number. So twice of that number is 4. 4 is added to 2. Good point. So it is 6. Yeah. So take this one is 48. Guys, any confusion here? So why I am going with the 48 means, so this 2 will continue for next 6 months also. First 6 months is 2. Next 6 months, what they are, he is adding. How much he is adding? Twice of first number. Twice of first before means what? Before one 2. If they twice that one, it will come 4. This 4 is added to the before. Clear? Total 6. So 6 6 are 36 plus 12 is nothing but 48. So it is. So please note down. Yes. 5 to 16 is to 40. Good. Yes. Next one. A, B, and C. A, comma, B, and C. Divide an amount. Divide an amount of 4,200. 4,200 rupees amongst themselves. Amongst themselves. Ratio of 7:8:6 respectively. If an amount of 200 is added to each their shares, what will be the new respective ratio of their shares of amount.
So can you please repeat the ratio?
8:6.
Eight is to 9:7.
8:9:7. Let me check. It is to 9:6. Sharing ratio. No, I'm not asking answer. Question.
9:8:6.
Yeah. So total amount is given. Their share ratio is given. First, before adding 200 rupees, how much money they are earning, we need to find. Okay. Before 200 rupees. So total, how many shares we have here? Sorry. 20. Yeah. These 21 shares value is equals to how much? 4,200 rupees. So find initial or individual amount of. So for 7 it is 21,200. So it is also 1,400 for A, B, yes. It is 1,200. Yeah, if you add all these three, you'll get 4,200. So initial, before adding 200 rupees, their value is how much? 1,400, 1,600 and 1,200. So their salaries increased to 200 rupees. Means it will become how much? 1,600, 1,800, 1,400. So two zeros get cancelled with the two table, 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 2 7s are. So this is the answer. 8:9:7. Here. Yes. Next question. Done? It's done. Any doubt in this question? Clear? Okay, next. P, comma, Q and R, PQR. Start a business jointly. Start a business jointly. Start. Twice the capital of P. Twice the capital of P is equal to thrice the capital of Q. Thrice the capital of Q. And the capital of Q is 4 times the capital of R. 4 times the capital of R. Find the share of Q. Find the share of Q in an annual profit. In an annual profit of 1,48,500. Annual profit of 1,48,500. So in this question, you didn't mention time period, right? So no need to take. You can go with the investment only. So 2P is equals to 3Q and Q is equals to 4R. Same like ratio and proportion. Hmm. 50. 4,000. Good. So see here. So total amount they shared is 1,48,500. So 2 twice of P is equals to thrice of Q. Same what he did in the question. Just I'm writing that. So 2P is equals to 3Q and Q share is 4 times of R share. Right. So Q is equals to 4R. So I'm dividing this P by Q, Q by R. So P by Q is nothing but 3 by 2, Q by R is equals to 4 by 1. So in ratios, same like, so when they given two ratios, how we need to find, how we want to find means, so like using this method. So P is to Q is to R, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 1, 3 4s are, 4 2s are, 2 1s are. So 12 is to 8 is to 2. So 6 is to 4 is to 1. This is what their profit sharing ratio. So according to this ratio, so total shares is 11. 6 plus 4 plus 1, 11. 11 shares value is how much? 1,48,500. So who share asking in this question? Q. So Q is how much? 4. 4 shares is value is how much? 54,000. So please note down. Q share is 4. 4 is nothing but 54,000. One share value 13,500. So 4 share value 54,000. Next one. Understood? Any doubt in this question? Still you are writing, right? Please remember. Same question in the percentages. Same question in the percentages. Note on that one. Sonu invested 10% more than the 10% more than the investment of Mona. Sonu invested 10% more than the investment of Mona. And Mona invested 10% less than the, and Mona invested 10% less than the investment of Raghu. Investment of Raghu. If the total investment of all three persons, the total investment of all three persons is 5,780. 5780. 5,780. Find the investment of Raghu. Find the investment of Raghu. Same like this question. So they given in the percentage. Do it. Much?
2000.
2000. Let me check. Yes, it is an option. Everyone got same answer? 2000. No? Yes. Sonu invested 10% of them at the top. So 10 means how much we need to take here? S is equals to 110. Sorry, Mona. So already I told in percentages. So 10% more means we need to take 110. So 10% less means so we need to take 90. It's already explained in percentages. Same. So this is the relation between Sona and Mona. So now coming to Mona and Raghu. So how much? Mona is 10% less means 90 by 100 of Raghu. So simplify this one. So it will, so S by M. Sonu by Mona. So 11 by 10. Any doubt? No. Coming to, so this 0 get cancelled. So Mona by Raghu is 9 by 10. So we got two ratios. So find the, so S is to M is to R, then distribute the money among them. So find the value of Raghu. He's asking about Raghu only, right? So find 11 is to 10 and 9 is to 10. So 99 is to 90 is to 100. So total how much it is? 90 to 89, right?
Yes.
So 289 shares value is how much? Yes. Why? Yeah, if you double this one, you will get 578, right? Very good. So 289 double means you can into 20, right? So 289 into 2, 578. 0 we have. So whose share is asking? Yeah, Raghu share is 100. For 100 into 20? Yes, it is 2000 rupees. Raghu share is how much? 2000. So here only there is a initial step. If you solve this step, you will get the answer. So here only we have litigation. Okay. Now, any doubt in this question? No. Go for the next one. X and Y make a partnership. See already? Completed. Okay. X and Y make a partnership. We'll start. X invest 8,000 rupees. X invest 8,000 rupees for 8 months. X invest 8,000 rupees for 8 months. And Y remains in the business. And Y remains in the business for 4 months. For 4 months. Out of the total profit, Y clients, out of the total profit, Y clients 2/7 of the profit. 2/7 of the profit. Full stop. How much money was contributed by Y? How much money was contributed by Y? So in this question, he mentioned X investment, but he didn't talk about Y investment. We need to find that investment. So for that, what they have given, their profit shares is given. Okay, 2/7 is what the share of the Y only. So what about X?
5/6.
Yes, very good. Let's see. So what is the formula we have? Profit is equals to investment into R, right? Sorry, investment into time. So by using this formula, so I'm finding the investment of Y. X, Y. Okay. So P1 is to P2. So it's given how much? So 2/7. Whose share it is? Y share, right? Out of total 7, 2 shares is goes to Y. So and remaining out of 7, 2 is go to Y, and remaining 5 go to X. So finally, I can write like this. So P1, P2 means profit of X, Y. So it's nothing but X got 5 shares and Y got 2 shares. Any doubt in this 5:2? Clear? No. 5:2 is equals to. So I1 T1, I2 T2. Right. I1 means X investment. How much? 8,000 rupees. For how many time period? How much time period? For 8 months. So I'm taking 8. Is to next. Coming to Y. Y investment we don't know. So just you can take, you will get confused. So you can take as it is Y. Okay. For 4 months. Here. So now simplify this one. So 8,000 into 8 by Y into 4, or else you can take, yeah, okay, no problem. Y into 4 is equals to 5/2. So simplify this one, or else you can simplify here. 4 ones are 4 twos are. Anything else? So 5Y is equals to, so sorry, yeah, 5 into Y, 5Y. So 2 twos are 4, 4 eights are 32,000. So now 5 ones are 5 6 are 5 4s are. So Y investment is how much, guys? 6,400. Any doubt in this question? So he didn't given Y investment. We need to find Y investment. For that, what I'm using the formula P is equals to I into T. So P1 is to P2 is equals to pi is to 2 I got. So investment into time, investment into time. Investment of A is 8,000 for 8 months. Investment of Y we don't know. I'm taking Y as it is for 4 months. So when we simplify this one, we'll get the Y value. That is the investment of Y. That is 6,400. Clear? Okay. Next. Now question. A and B invest A and B invest 3,000 and 4,000. A and B invest 3,000 and 4,000 respectively in a business. Respectively in a business. A receives 10 rupees per month. 10 rupees per month out of the profit. Out of the profit as a remuneration for running the business. For running the business. And the rest of the profit is divided in the proportion to the investment. Proportion to the investment. If in a year A totally receives, if in a year A totally receives 390 rupees. If in a year A totally receives 390 rupees. What does B receive? What does B receive? Right? Read carefully.
He receives 520.
Let me check. Is an option of it's not in the options. Wait once. So give the options. Okay. Three 60. Let me check. Simple question. Did he mention any time period? No. So directly you can go with the investments. Investment is equal to 360. Okay, done. Let me check. See here, guys. So here two members are there. So A and B, right? Okay. So A, B. Their investment is how much? 3,000, 4,000. Did he given any time? No. So it directly take the, this is the profit ratio. So is nothing but 3:4. Fine. Up to fine. Now, so this is what A share. This is what B share. Okay. So A overall taken money is how much? 390. Overall money. Not a profit money. Overall money. Understood. So in this, per month he earned how much? 10 rupees. For what? Business activities. He took 10 rupees for every month business activities. So overall 1 year. For 1 year is how much? 120. Remove 120. So 2. So this is the share of 3. Understood? Clear. So we need to remove that salary money. So remaining money he earned from the profit. So that is how much? 270. So this 3 shares value is 270. So whose share is asking? B. So 4 is how much? Very good. Clear? 2 steps, only 2 steps. We'll get the answer. So here logic is what? We need to remove 120. That's it. That is the main logic. One more question. Avinash, or else don't mention names. So directly we can go with the ABC. A, B, and C. A, B, and C started a business. Started a business in partnership. Started a business in partnership. Investing in the ratio of 3:2:5. 3:2:5 respectively. At the end of the year, the earned profit, the earned profit of 45,000, which is 15% of their total investment. Can I repeat? Fast. Can I repeat? 15% of their total investment. How much did we invest? How much did we invest? Try it once. I think it is a simple question. Yes. Okay. And Manabe. For you, I will give you yeah. Good. Yeah, okay, fine. Let me check. Can you check it on that? So 90,000, okay, is in the option. Let's see. So profit given. So what they given, I'm writing here. Profit, I mean investment ratio is given and profit given. So profit is what? So I'm writing first investment ratios. So how much? 3:2. Okay, this is what investment ratio. Fine. Next. So profit amount. Profit is how much? 45,000. Okay, fine. So after that 45,000, which is a 15% investment of their total investment, right? Means so 15% is what? 45,000. So they, if you want their total investment means you go for 100%. Investment ratio is given. Total how much they invested they didn't given in the question, right? What the clue is given about investments? He mentioned 45,000 is a profit, which is a 15% of their total investment. So means 15% part is what? 45,000. But I want what? 100%. Why I want to go for 100% means the given investment ratio. So investment ratio is there. Total investment we don't know. So by using this trick, we are finding the total investment. Okay. This is what 15% of investment is 45,000. So I want 100%. So it's nothing but 3 lakhs, right? So 15, 3 is a 45. Same I'm doing here. So sorry, 3 lakhs. Read out. 15%, 45,000. Yes, 100% is nothing but. It is correct, right? Yeah, fine. So this is what total investment. Total investment is there. Investment ratio is there. Find the whose investment? B's investment. B share is how much? 2. Right. Now total shares is how much, guys? Here 10, right? These 10 shares is how much? 3 lakhs. Now I want 2 shares. So with it is how much? 60,000. Clear? Correct? Yes. Yeah. You took 3 here.
I took first one, three, sir.
Yeah. If you took 3, you'll get the 90. So 60,000 is there. So answer is first. Any doubt? Ask me. Oh. So first I am finding the total investment and I am taking the total investment to the total shares. Total shares is 10. This total shares is equals to 3 lakhs. Sorry, 3 lakhs. So finding who share? B share. B is 2 shares. So for 10 shares, 3 lakhs. For 2 shares, 60,000. If they ask for A means it is 90,000. If they ask 5 means it is 1,50,000, right? Next one. So if you don't understand, please ask me now only. Okay. Yeah. Two partners invest. Two partners invest 1,25,000, 1,25,000, and 85,000 respectively. 85,000 respectively in a business. In a business, and agree that 60% of the profit should be 60% of the profit should be divided equally. 60% of the profit divided equally between them. Between them. And the remaining profit is to be treated as interest on capital. Treated as interest on capital. If one partner gets 600 rupees more than the other. If one partners get 600 rupees more than the other, find the total profit. Find the total profit made in the business. Find the total profit made in the business.
The remaining profit is treated as interest on capital for both or only both. 1,26,000.
I'll give the options. Actually, the difference is very less, right? Then so out of 100%, okay. So overall 100% profit they got, right? In this, what they agree with, 60% money they need to share equally. Remaining 40% money they can share in their investment ratio. Fine. Now, so I don't know the total profit. Okay. So 100,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, we don't know that value, right? Just assume that was the X value. Okay. So that is only we need to find. Total profit they are asking, right? So first find this. Let X is the profit, total profit. In this profit, 60% of profit they can share equally. We no need to discuss about that. Coming to 40%. So 40% of ratio, sorry, 40% of profit they can share in the ratio of their investment. That was the question, right? Understood? Is there any doubt? No. Yeah. 40% of X. This is the 40% of profit money they can share in the ratio of investments. So first of all, I need to find the investment ratio. Right. So investment of first person, A, B, right? Yeah. A, B. A invested how much? 1,25,000. B invested 85,000. Any difference in time? Same, right? Same. Okay, fine. So here 3 zeros get cancelled with the 5 table. 5, 25 is to 5. Yes. A profit share is 25. B profit share is 17. Right. This is what total. But I want what? 40% of total profit. Let's see. I'm taking A. Okay, I'm talking about A. Okay. Out of total shares, how many shares we have here? 42. Right. 42 shares total. Yeah. So A share is how much? Out of 42, 25 shares is goes to A. Right. Now. Right. Let's see. Okay. Yes. So A profit out of 42, 25 shares goes to what? A. But they didn't ask total profit. They asked only 40%, right? 40% of yes. This is what related to A. Okay. Now coming to B. A is to 40% of X. So remaining is how much? 17 by 42. Guys, 40% of X is total profit in this. So they shared out of 42, 25 shares. So and he is 40% of X. So shared 17 shares. So this is A, this is B. Okay. Now the difference between these two is how much, guys? 600 is given, right? 600. Just simplify this one and take the difference between these two. Then you will get the value of X. That is the profit. So simple. So I'm simplifying here. So 40% is nothing but 40 by 100 into X into 25 by 42. So simplify this one. 25 ones are 25, 4s are 4 ones are 4 10s are, yeah, 2 5s are 2 20 ones are. So finally I got 5x by 21, right? Anything else? Is it correct? Take it once. Yeah. 40 by 100 into x into 17 by 42. So yes, simplify this one. The two table, 2 2s are 2 5s are, yeah, 2 1s are 221. Yeah. Finally 17x by 105. So take the difference between these two. So guys, after sharing profit according to their investment, the difference is 600. Okay. So overall 100% they didn't mention. So after taking that 40% of money, they took some money. Okay, in this 40%, and they, the difference between these two is given is how much? 600 rupees. That is only I am doing here. So see here. Yeah. 5x by 21 minus 17x by 105 is nothing but 600. So 21 and 105, what is the LCM of these two? 105, right? So 105. So 21, how many times it will go? So 5 5s are 25x minus it will come as it is equals to 600. So 25x minus 17x is nothing but 8x. So 8x by 105 is equals to 600. So with the 8 table it will go 8 ones are, yeah, 8 sevens are 56, 8 5s are 40. 75 into 105. You'll get it. Yes, 7 8 7 8 7 8 7 5. Okay. This is the total. X is what we assumed x. X is a total profit. So we got x is equals to 7875. Okay. Some questions there there is no logic. I mean shortcuts. So we need to do like this one. So what we want to understand here, we need to take 40% of their shares. Okay. So their share value 25 out of 42. His share value is 17 out of 42. So this is their share. What we need to take, this is the total share, guys. But I want only 40%, not go for 100%. Why? Because 60% they shared equally, but remaining 40% they shared their investment ratios. So their difference is given 600, right? So according to that, I'm taking 40% of x, 25 by 2, so 42. So like this, you need to find the value of x. So 7875 is the answer. Clear? Any doubt? Can I explain it again? Anyone? No need? Next question. Today's last question. A and B entered a partnership. A and B entered a partnership, investing 16,000 and 12,000. A and B entered a partnership, investing 16,000 and 12,000 respectively. After 3 months, A takes out 5,000 rupees. A takes out 5,000 rupees. While B puts in B puts in 5,000 rupees more. 5,000 rupees more. After 3 months more, C joins the business. C joins the business with a capital of C joins the business with a capital of 21,000. The capital of 21,000. After a year, they earned a profit of 13,200. The profit of 13,200. Full stop. By what value does the share of B exceeds the share of C? Exceeds the share of C. By what value does the share of B exceeds the share of C? Yes, try it once. So finally, we need to find the difference between B share and C share. Simple. Yes. How much? So after 3 months, what happened? A withdraw the money 5,000 and B added back 5,000 rupees. Okay. So see here. Yes. So first of all, they invested money. So A invested how much? B invested 12,000. C invested 21,000. So how much time means after how much time he came, it doesn't matter. The investment I'm taking, right? So A invested. Okay. So up to 3 months, no changes in A, right? Up to 3 months. After 3 months only, so he taken back 5,000 rupees. So up to 3 months, no changes. I'm taking like that only. So next, after 3 months, so what he did? 5,000 rupees. He withdraw the money. Means how much it will? 11,000 only. So 11,000 for remaining 9 months. Total overall 1 year, right? In this 1 year, 3 months with 16,000. So after removing of 5,000 rupees, 11,000 rupees for 9 months. So into. Any doubt in this? Now coming to B. So B, first 3 months, no changes. Next 3 months, what he did? He added 5,000 rupees. Means how much it will? So it will 17,000, right? 17,000 for next 9 months. So C coming after 3 months more. Okay. After 3 months more means how much we need to take here? 6 or 9? Anyone take 9? Okay. 6 on. Yes. Simplify this one. Yeah. So see here. In all the numbers, 3 zeros we have, right? Either addition or in multiplication, no need. If you see 3 digits here, 3 zeros. So here also we have 3 zeros. And coming to here, 3 zeros. Here also we have 3 zeros. And here also we have 3 zeros. We can cancel like this also. Okay. So now simplify. How much it is? So 16 3s are 48 plus 11 9s are 99. Next 12 3s are 36 plus 17 9s are 1. Yes. Yes. So 21 6 are 126. So simplify this one. So it is 147 is to this is 180. Yes. Is to 126. Then the go for with the 7 table. 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 2s are 14. 7 7s are 49. 7 yes. 7 8s are 17 8s are sorry 7 18s are sorry 7 18s are. Again simplify with the 3 table. 3 7s are 3 9s are 3. So finally we got a ratio 7 is to 9 is to 6. Now so the earned profit is how much? 13,200. Fine. So he's asking about what? How much B exceeds of C? Means how much more when compared with C. Right. So we know already. So total shares, first find the total shares is how much? 20. Yes. So these 22 shares value is how much? 1 lakh, sorry, 13,200. Fine. Now, exceeds money only is asking, right? So exceeds shares is how much here? So B exceeds how many shares when compared with the C? 3 shares. So take directly that one. So no need to find the values. So directly you can take the shares. 3 shares. Yes, fine. So now with the 22 5s, sorry, 6, 22 6. So or else you can simplify like this: 3 by 22 into 13,200. With the 11 table, 11 2s are 11. Sorry, yeah. 2 1s are 2 600. 6 3s are. That is a 1800 is a. We need to take from here. So must and should 3 zeros is there. You can go with that, or else you don't simplify like this. Okay. So either addition or is there. You can. We have 3 zeros. You can simplify like this.
So supposing question, if A is withdrawing all amount after 3 months.
Okay. So first 3 months only invested, right?
Yes.
Put like this one. Remaining no. If you take no money means 0 into 9. 0 into 9 is nothing but 0. Depends upon the question, we need to correct the values. Anything else up to? Anything else? So for today it is enough. And to next class, I'll come with the time and work. And pipes and systems. Both anything left? I didn't get you. Yeah. After that, we go with the time and speed. Yeah. 2 6 topics is over. Number system, LCM and HCF, ratio and proportion, percentages, and profit and loss, and partnership. Okay. 3 P's over: percentages, profit, partnership, and remaining 3 is done. So time and work next I will start in the next class. And fine. So for today it is enough. So ask me now only if you have any doubts in this topic. Okay. So all questions are surrounding profit, investment, time. Okay. In these 3 topics you need to know. Okay. Anything else?
Order
Angle wise.
India won, Belgium. That's all equal experience. That's all. Next Australia. Yeah, Australia is also big team. Australia big team. India will accept the India.